what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Hope you all like my previous videos. And today's video is about our hair. We all want a detangled hair which looks shiny, frizz-free, and for that only shampoo and conditioning is not enough for our hair. For to get that shine and also the frizz-free look, we have to use a serum onto our hair. What is a serum? A serum is basically a liquid paste treatment with formulated silicone which provides a protection to our hair from the outside dust, damage, dirt, sun rays, and also makes our hair looks very much shiny, soft, detangled, and it also looks very frizz free. In market you can get various kinds of serum. You can choose any serum whichever you like for your hair. So the serum that I use for myself is this. It's from the L'Oreal Paris. The serum that I use is actually L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. A serum will protect your hair and make your hair looks very much shiny. This serum I have purchased it from the Flipkart online store and it costs me around 250 and it contains 100 ml. So guys, let's see a video how to apply a serum onto your hair. So friends, you have seen how easy it is to apply a serum onto your hair. You can use it on your wet hair and as well as on your dry hair also to get that shine. So guys, you have to use a serum whenever you washed your hair to get that detangled look with a very much beautiful shine and also to protect your hair from the outside pollution whenever we go out. So I have given the link of the serum that I have purchased for myself. You can also go for another serums also, whatever you may like for your hair and which suits your hair the best. A serum also protects your hair from the styling instruments, from the heat of the styling instruments. So guys, to get a detangled and healthy hair, you have to use a serum. You have to include it in your daily hair care routine. So it's all about my today's video about the benefits and usefulness of a serum. Hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I put a new video, and also comment down in the comment section that what serums you are using for your hair, and if you are using the serum that I have shown in this video, then what are the benefits you are getting from it. Please also let me know in the comment section, and if you are having any queries then you can also ask me. So guys, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe. Tata.